Hello and welcome to the 2019 Fort Lauderdale International Boat Show. I am here with Boston Whaler and Mr. Chris, and he is going to tell us a little bit about himself and the fabulous vessel we're standing in front of.
Myself, I'm Chris Wachowski, Director of Product Development at Boston Whaler, and I do program management for all the large boats, 34 feet and larger. The newest boat that we've been working on that's here at the show debuting is the 405 Conquest. You can see it here in the background. Quad engine, 13.6 beam, 41-foot 4 length overall. Lots of great features in this boat. It's so difficult to try to describe what are the coolest things on it because there are so many. There's a great prep station that's a custom thing that we're doing on the back of this boat. Normally there's a flip-out seat. This one has this built-in prep station that has a grill, refrigeration. You can do a secondary live well. Port side up there, there's this great seating area that converts into giant lounge or a dinette. Forward helm seat, aft facing helm seat. It's one of those innovations that you really got to come down and check it out. On the starboard side, you got a nice wet bar, aft facing seating here on the mezzanine seating. And then one of the other cool innovations that we did is there's a pop-up hidden joystick on the port side, so that if you're docking to the port side and you need good visibility, you can open your window, pop open the little joystick panel, and it pops out of the dash.
That in itself is fantastic.
Yes.
Just why hasn't anyone else done that?
I don't know.
Wow. Well, obviously there's a lot to see here. You definitely need to come down to the Fort Lauderdale International Boat Show and check this out in person. If you cannot make it in person, we have an online option for you, MarineMax.com/online boat show, and it'll bring you photo, video, more information about this model. If you fall in love, you can actually place a hold on the boat and it'll be yours. You can chat with boating experts, and you can actually take advantage of all the deals that we have going on at the show. So thank you so much, Chris, for giving us a little snapshot of this beautiful new model.
Thank you.
And we hope to see you down here.